There you go, baby girl. Look. Oh. I'm not sure if this is going down your mouth or down your jumper. Is it going down your mouth or down your jumper? What do you think?
Look.
Yeah, hopefully going down your mouth.
Look.
Look. Yeah. I can't see your mouth now. Oh. Oh. Down the little cake hole. Is it going down the cake hole? There you go. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, bubbles. That's clever.
I think
How do you
someone
blow
likes
bubbles
it.
with it? Yeah. Well, she likes the spoon.
I know.
Yummy. Mmm.
Yay!
Is that delicious? Yummy.